In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Marvel's Spider-Man 2. Check my video description for this mod manager download link. Download this Overstrike mod manager and check my video description for this .NET 7.0 desktop runtime. This is required to run Overstrike properly. And check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Venom suit slot. Once you download the mod you like, first of all, install this Windows Desktop Runtime 7.0. Just double click and install this. I have already done this, so I'm not installing it. Right click on the Overstrike and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Right click on the blank area and select New and select Folder. Name this folder Mod Manager. Press Enter. Open the mod manager, drag and drop all these files inside. Open the overstrike.exe. Select add game option and in a profile name, whatever name you can type, select browse and navigate to the game folder. Select the Spider-Man 2 game folder and select folder option and select create. And now the profile has created. Select the profile and select create profiles option. Mod manager has opens up. And now go back to downloads. Drag and drop the mod inside. Drag and drop doesn't work, then you can select this plus icon, go to downloads and select the mod and select open option. Mod is now enabled. If you want to disable, just uncheck this box. Whatever mod you add, after adding the mod, select the install mods option. Installation is done. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press tab key and go to suits. Scroll down to the bottom, you can able to see Venom suit. Select the Venom. And as you can see, the mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.